Hey, should we do another vintage haul? I think so. This one's a big one. I don't know what it is. So, let's get into it. It's a shame I don't have a mic. I'll actually need this as a... put this in the hold on. Oh, hold on. So I just got a card sent to me. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So that's what it looks like. I'll be using this for when I'm going away for like youth camp or visiting or whatever. Visiting? What? I don't know. What am I talking about? Youth camp and ladies retreat and other stuff. So I wanted one of these for ages. So I should have showed you over there would be a lot better. So this is a bape duffel bag, as you can tell. This is the duffel bag with the belt. You can see it says bape. Is it that? Bape? Yeah, bape duffel bag. You can see that on there. Yeah. That seems legit. So, I really like it actually. This is cute. I can use this for my vintage. Not that I get that many orders, but I'll use this for travelling. If I go to London or something like that. So, yeah. I'm going to hopefully put it up there. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Does it smell good? Let's open it up. It's got 2 pockets. So it has a pocket here and a pocket here. Oh, that was quite deep actually, the second pocket, so that's good. I'm so glad it's got pockets in it. And it's very, very deep, as you can tell. Here's my little hand. I really like this. So, glad that it's got a belt to go with it. So it just clips onto here, onto the side there. Which is really good because I can just strap it here or strap it in my crossbody bag. Not crossbody, yeah, crossbody body. Crossbody bag, that's it. So yeah, I like it because I'm wearing green today, as you can tell. So imagine me just like, I don't have the green trainers, but I've got pink, like kind of pinkish reddish sort of trainers. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Let's see if we get like the babe brand since 1993. Seems legit. So I really like it actually. Got my pockets on the outside, which is perfectly fine because I don't like pockets on the outside of bags. I feel like people's going to steal stuff out of bags, so I'm glad that the pockets are inside. But I mean, mind you, if it had a pocket on the outside with either a zip or something, I ain't putting anything in there. No, I'm that kind of person. I don't like pockets on the outside of bags. I'm just like, nope. Nope. Pockets have to be inside. So yeah, that is big. That's big. So yeah. Let's see what it looks like. Standing up. Feels like I'm on my phone. It looks comfortable on the shoulder. Obviously with this strap, I can strap it that way or strap it the back, either way. I wonder if I can wear it as like a backpack. Let's have a look. I can wear it as like a backpack. Maybe. Without just drawing the straps. Let's see if we can wear it as a backpack. Maybe not. But let's have a look. Yeah, we can kind of wear it like a backpack. That's me as a backpack, but you know, I'm just trying it out. I wasn't wearing it like a backpack. I mean, if I was in St Pancras, imagine me with this, in St Pancras station. I think that I'd be going to the army with this outfit and this bag. Obviously, it'd be strapped across me. Yeah. Whenever there's a zip on the outside, I always face it forward instead of backwards, because especially when you're on escalators, the zip is this way. Wherever I go, the zip has to be facing, outwards that way. No pickpocketers are thinking getting in my bag. Yeah. This is cute for if I'm staying over or going somewhere. I'm hoping to go youth camp next year, so this bag will be coming with me. So yeah. And it folds easily, so it can lie flat. One thing about me, I'm gonna I wasn't even recording. What I was saying is I'm gonna hopefully get rid of the bags at the top and only have this bag up there. So yeah, I might sell the bags, that one on Vinted or eBay, because I don't need it anymore. So this bag will sit up there with all the other bags. But yeah, I want to have like a babe collection. Also, what I was saying is I'll just see my neighbour and I also with this manner. But anyways, we move. I like how it's flat, so if I don't want to carry it as a bag, I can just put it in my suitcase. If I go shopping in the city, then, or like I'm at an airport and my suitcase is over the limit, I can just take this out and Also, what I was saying is I'm going to hopefully put no drinks in this bag and no food. So, yeah, because I'm prone to putting food in bags. That ain't happening. Not with this bag anyway. Oh, it says this bag is not a toy. This bag is not a toy. So, yeah. This bag is not a toy. I love it. Okay, I love it. I want to get another one. I want to get like a backpack. And the chain is I'll never do. So, yeah. This bag is only for special occasion. It ain't going out with me like on a daily basis. It's only if I'm travelling or staying over or something, like an event or something I need to stay over at. This bag will be coming out every day. Regular bags. Special occasions. Okay? Special